Hello and assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to all of you. In this tutorial we will learn how to export these S parameters to Excel. So for that, first of all I will select this graph, and then I will go to file, and in file I will select export, and then I will right select to item to tab. I will save these is parameter in a specific directory. So this belongs to EBG, so I am saving it with the name of is parameter, or I will create a new folder is parameter with the name of is parameter. Okay, and now this is is12, so I will save it with the name of is12. Similarly, I will select this window, not a graph. I will not select this. I will select this graph, whole graph, and then I will select export, and I will save it in a specific directory where I have already saved my is12. So here I will save this is11. Similarly, I will select this graph by clicking it, and then I will export it, and I will save it in a specific directory which I have used for previous graph. So this is file, so I will save it with the name of face. Okay, now I will open Excel sheet. So here I will import my is11 and is12 and face. First of all is11, so I will save it over here. Now similarly, I will import is12 over here in this cell. So I will select a directory where I have already saved my is12, and I will just click on next. Okay, similarly I will need face, so I will select it from the same directory where I have already saved my is11 and is12 and face. I will just click on next, and after that again I will click on next, and then I will click on next. Okay, now these parameters are imported in Excel. Now I will need just to convert this frequency to gigahertz. So for that I will click on this cell, and I will press equal sign, and then I will select this, and then multiply by 10 to the power minus 9, and I will press OK. So you can see here 10 to the power minus 9 is vanished, and now this is completely in a decimal. But now this is not completely in a decimal. I will convert into this is in scientific mode, and I will need to convert into general mode. So here, okay, now I need to convert this to from scientific to general. So here you can see these are now converted to journal. For the same you can select on journal. Yeah, so these are also selected with the help of journal. The same process I will repeat for these two. Our -9 -9, and you will need to drag it up to 50 or up to end. Okay, I will just format this cell either a number or with the you can change it either with the number or journal, it's up to you. Now here you can see these are showing in numbers. You can check it by journal too. So here these are shown with by numbers. Now let's come to the frequency of pace. So you can also divide it by 10 to the power 9. Okay. You can repeat the same process for this to format cells and just click on numbers and OK, and for this similar for that too you will need to convert it to journal numbers. Let's see what's happened. Okay, now this is our graph, and I want to show these parameters S11, S12 and paste on this graph. So for that purpose I will click on this at this portion, and then I will select data. Here you can see S11 is already shown, so I will need to edit to it. S11 begins from over here, so I will start it and it to up to 51 cell. Similarly I will need to add from this portion to up to C2. So here is C and this will be 2. Okay, so here you can see this parameter is shown over here. I will need to convert it to dash form, so I will select this. Now I will add S12. So for that purpose I will add S12, and then I will select I will select this frequency range. And now I will select this 2. Let's see what's happened. So here is S12 is shown over here. I I need to change it to dashish form, so I will just click on it. Now I need to add pace. So for that I will also select this. I will also repeat the same process, and I will select, and then I will add. Here I will write a pace, and now I will need to select this frequency range from beginning to the end, and now I also need to select this. So you can see I have select these ranges from beginning, these phases from beginning to, from this point to this point. You can see over here, or you can see it like that. So okay, now you can see a pace. Here you can see pace is shown over here, but I want to use a label for phase over here at this portion, and proper from minus 200 degree to 250 or 200 degree, you can see over here. So I will just click on this, and then I will go to what I will select as a secondary axis. It's me, I am talking about that. I mean, the secondary axis is this. This is primary horizontal axis, this is primary vertical axis, and this is secondary vertical axis. So I want to show phase on this portion, so I have select this parameter as phase as a secondary axis. Okay, I will close. Now I will need to give it a name of what? A pace. So I will go to what? I will come to layout, page layout, or here is lab axis title, and I need secondary vertical title in the form of this. So here I will name it a pace, and pace will be in degree slash degree. Okay, if we see our graph, so it's begin from 1 to, it goes from 1 to 1.5 to 3. So I can change the range of minimum 1.5, and it will goes to 3 or 4, it's up to you. So here you can see our graph goes to what? Our graph goes to from 1.5 to 3 gigahertz, and here is the S parameter. Okay, now I'll need to reshape this graph in a specific in a proper I need to convert this graph to proper shape. So I will select these minimum. I will select because it comes to minus 20, so I will need to select it minus 25, and maximum that will be 0. Okay, so here now it's look good. Okay, now The second things which is I need to drag this to low position, and I will need to change these values. So minimum will be 180 minus 180, and maximum will also minus 180, and okay, let's see what's happened. Oh, this is not properly shown over here. I need to convert it to 100 degree, and now I think it's not good. Let's see what's happened. It's look quite good. Okay, so here is the resonance frequency is at this point, and here is a in phase reflection at this point. You can change this parameter, you can change in phase reflection with the help of changing these parameter, and then you can select your resonance frequency and phase reflection according to your need. But according to me it's enough, and I'm just ending my video over here, and for now take care and bye bye.